Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sky.Onjahnae, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. And we just jumping right into this video today. I am using my P. Louise base, which you all know I swear by, especially if you're using it and if you're using it properly, you will swear by it as well. This is in the shade Rumor 5, I believe. No, it's in 4 because it is a little lighter. 5 is more my skin tone. Yeah, anyway, I just went in with a buffing brush to just buff that product out because I am going to be doing a full smoky eye. I want that completely seamless and a pretty much solid base, solid clean base, so that my shadow is it's on there. Now I'm going in with my my Resi palette, the Resi Anastasia collab palette, and I'm using this really nice nude shade. It's more orangish nude, but I'm using this as my transition shade because with smoky eye, you know, it's going to be very dark on the eyes, and you want to make sure towards the outside it's more feathered, it's more blended, and it's more like kind of flesh. You don't want to have that harsh contrast between the dark eyeshadow that you're going to be using and your skin. So that's why you need to add your transition shade. So I'm going in with this really nice dark brown. Like, this is the best brown that I think I have out of all of my eyeshadow palettes. This brown, I don't know, it gives mocha. It's like a mocha brown to me. But I'm just patting that color into my lid, and I'm going to buff that out. I don't want to go above my crease with the padding just because that's going to give it such a harsh look, and it's not going to blend as well with the transition color. If you see me talking, I'm actually on the phone with my best friend because I decided to record this last minute. But anyway, yeah, I'm just packing that color on that lid and then buffing out those edges. And like I said, if you watch my how to blend colorful eyeshadow tutorial, you know that it's just a lot of back and forth when it comes to blending out your eyeshadow, especially colorful eyeshadows and dark colors. Look at girl, fix your face. She was telling me something that one of her friends said, and it was pretty reckless. So excuse my faces. But I'm going back in with that transition shade and just buffing out that dark brown. I didn't add any extra eyeshadow until after, I started buffing. And y'all, I apologize if this lighting is a little weird. Like I said, I decided to do this last minute, and it was like 10 o'clock at night when I filmed this. So yeah, I did go ahead and start to buff that dark brown over my crease after diffusing it with that transition color. That's just going to give a more seamless look like so. And I love me a brown smoky eye. I never do black because black is just so dark to me. So brown is always my go-to. So I'm going to just go ahead and do my other eye and come back so we can add the glitter. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I want my glitter to stay. I don't want glitter. Well, I don't want a lot of glitter fall out. So my face really be killing me. And people tell me that all the time. But anyway, I don't want any glitter fall out, especially since my face is already done. And glitter is expensive. I mean, not really, but I'm not trying to waste product regardless. So I'm going to use my lash glue because that really helps that glitter stick on. As soon wherever you place it, that's where that glitter is going to stick. And I literally just took my brush, dipped it in the glitter. I used the macaroon glitter from BB Cosmetics to pack that in. And I'm not going to go above the crease with that just because it's gonna hurt. It's gonna scratch my crease up, and it's just gonna feel sticky. So that's why I'm just focusing that glitter on the actual lid, and then I kind of like diffuse it outwards towards the crease. So focus in on the lid and add like a little bit of glitter closest towards the crease. And I will only recommend using lash glue to apply your glitter if you're not planning on taking it off anytime soon. When I tell y'all I struggled to get this glitter off my eyes, I struggled because it was still fresh. My eyelids didn't even have time to produce oil, so I was literally scrubbing my lid. So If you're not gonna be wearing it for a long time, don't do this. Just use a a glitter glue. And then I'm just going back over with that brown just to blend it out even more. And let's get to these lower. What is this? What is this? My shadow. Y'all know how these voiceovers be getting me. I'm taking a very tiny detail brush and I'm using that same dark brown that I used for my actual lid to create the smoke effect. And I'm just going to connect it to the outer corner of my lid. That just kind of brings the whole look together. In my opinion, you don't have to do this. Like I said, makeup is not a one size fits all. This just brings the whole look together. If you want to give smoke, we're going to give Smokey under there, okay? And yeah, once I do that, I just also take that another detail brush, a slightly larger one, to diffuse that with my transition color. Now let's get to these lashes. Wearing the style Black Barbie. Again, this also is from BB Cosmetics. Her lashes are super cute, and if you like dramatic makeup and dramatic lashes, definitely try her out. And I know usually I would put the glue on my lid, but like I said, I literally did this at 10 o'clock that night, and I wasn't trying to keep my lashes on all night. And if you put it on your lid like as if you putting on eyeliner and then you apply your lashes are not going anywhere. Okay, and I was not trying to do that. I just wanted to get this look done because I saw it in my head and I'm like, oh, let me record. And when I tell y'all, putting on these lashes was a struggle because I'm so used to doing it the other way. I kept having to take them off and on. So I just pretty much cut all of that out just so y'all can see me put on the lashes like a normal person and not like a weirdo who does not know how to put on her lashes, even though she's been wearing lashes for years. But yeah, that's that's neither here or there. And here goes some low light videos that I took. If you want to know how to get this low light so you can actually see the sparkle of the glitter because baby is shining, okay? If you want to know how to do that, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I can definitely do a tutorial on how to get these beautiful low light videos so that your makeup can really pop. Thanks, and I'll see you in my next video.